Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make a custom shop table for your Roblox Studio island. We'll model it, paint it in Substance Painter with 2 color variants, and then import it into Roblox Studio to decorate your world. Let's start by modeling the shop table. Begin with a cube, scale it into tabletop, then add 4 legs using scaled cubes. You can use the Boolean modifier to cut out any extra shapes, like slots or decorative details. Keep the design simple and low poly so it's performance friendly in Roblox. Once the model is ready, unwrap the UVs so our textures will apply properly. Assign a basic placeholder material for now. This makes it easier to see different parts of the table when painting later. Now, let's texture the table in Substance Painter. First, create a natural wood material for the tabletop and legs. Then, make a second variant with a darker or lighter wood color, so you have 2 versions to use in your game. Add some scratches, dirt, or subtle wear and tear to make the table feel more realistic. Export both sets of textures when you're finished. Next, let's bring the shop table into Roblox Studio. Import the model using the Asset Manager, then apply the textures you exported. Duplicate the table and assign the second color variant, so you have both styles available. Place them near houses, ducks, or quest areas to decorate your island's marketplace. And that's it. You now have a custom shop table with 2 color variants in Roblox Studio. Small props like this are perfect for making your world feel more alive and interactive. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Roblox Studio building guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.